I am here at my makeup table. I just cleansed the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. Next step, the fat water, my favorite. Third step, quick little moisture. Now that that's done, I'm gonna show you how well the makeup performs right on top of this. I'm gonna go Pro Filter. Great makeup comes from good skin. A little bit of concealer, make it really light. We're going for the natural beat. Cream bronzer, that's fire. I'm gonna use my cream blush. Quick tidy up on the brow. Full frontal, here we come. I want a nice flirty eye. Matte stick, shimmer skin stick, and pearl. And now, final. Slip shine lipstick. Slip shine lipstick. Slip shine lipstick. Slip shine lipstick. Shine. That happens too often. And now I could just go and pretend I woke up like this. Look how good the makeup looks on top of these face products.
And that's a sellout, bitch.